Hey there. So you just got started with inbound marketing and you are using HubSpot's CMS and CRM tools to their fullest potential. Now, you must have built your website by now. And now that once you have built your website, you need to get started with the design for the same. If you have watched our last video, we talked about how you can install a theme which you bought from somebody else, or maybe it's a custom design like the one that we at CTA9 have developed. So maybe it's something like that, or maybe you are looking at some other sort of design and you just got it installed on your website. But you might be thinking, is there another way to do the same? So yes, there's another way also. You can also install a theme on your HubSpot website via the marketplace. And today we will run you through all of the steps needed to do the same. So guys, there are a lot of premium and free HubSpot themes available in the marketplace. In order to install a HubSpot theme from the marketplace, log into your HubSpot portal, navigate to the marketplace icon, select the template marketplace option. Here you can find HubSpot CMS themes modules for your website. Once you install the theme, you get two options. First is to set it as your active theme and start building your website. And the other is to set it as your active theme and edit the theme settings. Choose either of these options and start editing. So guys, it's really easy to install a theme from the marketplace on your HubSpot website and then get started with your overall design process. But in case you're somebody who's looking for a custom solution, you can always reach out to us through the link in the description below or the QR code that follows on the screen after this. I hope you have a great CRM and CMS journey along with us, and I'll see you guys soon in the next video.